Here's how to delete blank pages in Microsoft Word and clean up your document instantly. Since Microsoft Word doesn't include a delete page option, you'll remove the blank page using two options. First, let's clearly identify where the blank page is. Go to the View tab in the Show group, turn on the Navigation pane, then on the left, switch to Pages. This shows every page in the document and confirms exactly where the blank page appears. A blank page is usually caused by either a page break or a section break, so we'll check both. If the blank page is caused by a page break, Word is forcing your content onto a new page. To check for this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 on Windows, or Command plus 8 on Mac. This turns on formatting marks and reveals all hidden symbols inside your document. Now scroll and look for a line labeled Page Break. Once formatting marks are visible, page breaks become easy to spot. Place your cursor right after the page break line and press backspace. This removes the break, and your blank page should disappear. If it doesn't delete the first time, press backspace once more. Some page breaks need a second press. If the blank page is still there, it's often caused by a section break. Section breaks create their own formatting zones, and they commonly add extra blank space at the end of a document. To find them, make sure formatting marks are still turned on, then scroll until you see a line labeled Section Break. It stands out clearly once hidden formatting is visible. Place your cursor right before the section break line and press Delete. This removes the break and pulls your content back together. If you still see a stubborn blank page that won't be deleted, there's one final method that works. This selects and removes everything on that page, including hidden content. Click anywhere on the blank page, press Ctrl plus G on Windows, or Option plus Command plus G on Mac. In the box, type \page, then press Go To and click Close. Now press backspace. Each fix brings everything back together, just the way it should be. That's it. You should now see your document cleaned up, without any extra blank pages or unwanted empty space. Like this video, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.